Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and it's time to do the recap. And as I'm doing the recap, we actually had a really good setup happen. Yeah, whatever. I kind of decided to walk away for the day when we started going sideways like this. And it was the lunchtime hour, and I usually don't like trading during this time, but man, this is giving a really nice entry. Entry would have been the 218s, and we're down below the 170s now. So, sometimes you walk away thinking you make a wise and a good decision. Some days you're like, oh man, the rest of the day you would have like 5 more setups. But hey, it is what it is. We made the decision and we're gonna walk away. But yeah, we had a really big sell-off again this morning, and just stayed patient. We tested the 21 EMA. We got my entry. My entry was a little bit late, maybe. I was trying to stay below this bar, just not to get trapped to the upside. And we got entered here, the 365s. Now, my original profit target, was down here at the 317s. And we tickled my target, almost got to it, and then we just started to do that wiki thing. I just took discretion and I closed the trade. I'm not sad that I did it. I mean, I technically didn't follow the rules. It is what it is. There's going to be, I guess I used discretion on that. Obviously, it was the right decision. I would have been stopped out if I didn't do it. Does that mean it was the right decision? I guess it depends how you look at it. But I kind of made peace with it when I did it. And I'm just not a big fan of once we get really close to my target and the price starts to act a little bit weird and fishy. I'm one of those guys where, hey, I am not going to fight. I'm just take my profit and move on. And that's kind of what I did. So I'm okay with it. And then unfortunately, we made a move back above this 21 EMA. Once we closed above this, I didn't really have an entry lower. We did, like I said, right here was an entry, but it was after I already kind of locked out for the day. So it is what it is. We might actually, the way this market's been going, we might get a couple more really good setups this afternoon, but I guess we're going to have to pass on it. It is what it is. By the way, also, as you probably noticed, I have a heart rate monitor. So I have the Whoop. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like a band that you wear on your wrist, and it actively tracks your heart rate along with a lot of other things. And I think it's kind of cool. Basically, it tracks my heart rate real time, and I think it's just kind of cool. You guys will be able to see my heart rate if you're watching me trade on stream live. I know my heart rate when I entered this trade. I find it interesting because right when I entered the trade, my heart rate increased a little bit, but my heart rate really increased to over 100 beats a minute when we got really close to my target, but it didn't hit it. Like, it's kind of interesting how you can kind of tell, like, when my anxiety level, I guess, is increasing quite a bit. So I find it interesting. Hopefully you guys do as well. But we're gonna have that for going forward, and yeah, see what happens. All right, that's it for today. We'll be back tomorrow. Is Friday, so I hope you guys all had a great day. Hope you had a green day, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care and God bless.